Right, I'm Mick Sadler and we're out today and we're going to review the 100-400 with the 1.4 extender.
This is the first picture that I took, and it was quite rough. It was quite windy. You can see how rough the water is. And this was sort of backlit, and we're on sort of the maximum we can be at f8. This is a little coot, I think. So this is the next one, which is an Egyptian goose, and again you can see by the water behind how sort of rough it was. Even the goose looks cold there. So we decided to come back the next day. Well, we got some good pictures today. Been very sunny today. So we'll have a look at these and see what we got. Not all that hopeful. Again, the next day, bright and sunny, and another little coot, and you can see where the blue sky is reflecting off the water. And from one day to another, it's amazing how flat and calm this is. And so this is at the full extent, the 560mm. My next was a Canada goose. And again, this was a little bit further out, so I've done no cropping on these. We have done a bit of Lightroom shadows and highlights, but that's about all. So this is at the 560mm mark, and so yeah, it was quite a way out. So there's the next picture, which is a mallard duck, and yeah, the iridescent green is showing out quite well. So with this 100-400 plus the 1.4 extender, really gets you out a long way, because this was a fair way out into the lake, and obviously you could also crop this down a bit to get more of it in the frame. And my first impressions of this Fujifilm 100-400 lens and the 1.4 extender, I did a review on the 100-400, which is up there, and you know, I'm still a novice at this, and what it means is trying to spot your bird and focus and take the picture does need quite a bit of practice, actually spotting your bird and taking the picture. So it's easier if you've got feeders or you've got some food and you can be there, but trying to spot birds where you can hear them, trying to spot birds and take pictures of them is more difficult. So we're getting there, and I've got a few samples but not many. And yeah, it's quite difficult, as I say, for a novice to get your picture, but it's worth persevering. And the only problem with this combination, you know, you get up to 560mm zoom, so it does zoom in quite a way. But with the extender on, it takes this 5.6 lens up to f8, so your widest aperture is f8. So you need a bright day, which it is today, but I'm still shooting at 1000 ISO. I'm still shooting at low as 500 shutter speed. So yeah, it's going to take a bit of practice, and maybe hand holding this is not the way to go. There was a white egret which flew up into a tree, and really this was the only shot I could get before it flew away. We then come across this little bird in a tree, and I think it's quite sharp, and I don't know what sort of bird it is, but it was quite a way away, and it was only handheld. And then we got the picture of a parrot. It's not a parrot, is it? Parakeet, and that was taken at 500th. So although it's sharp, the head isn't sharp because it moved its head. Then we come across a woodpecker in the grass, and you can't really see it very well from this picture, but it flew up into a tree, and this was really the only shot I got of it before it decided to go elsewhere. But I think this is the great crested woodpecker, something like that. But yeah, I was sorry to not be able to photograph that well. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and all that stuff. We'll see you again next time.